Good morning, guys. I'm just going to go over my trade recaps on today. Today wasn't my best day. Um, I took a, I overtraded a RIVN, as you can clearly see by this chart here. It was in play because I believe it had either earnings or quarterly results, and my bias on it was, we were going strong into the open, so I was either looking for a reject or a reclaim of S4 for a position on based off of this level here, since it was pre-market high and S4. So I saw that once we were beginning to move into S4, we reclaimed it, retested it from the top side. So I took a position and I was aiming for previous day close as an all-out target. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and then I saw that this big wick had occurred here. So I ended up taking a break-even loss on that, which actually registered as a 0.3R loss on that one. And then I saw that we were coming back down into this level. So I was curious to see if we were going to break through this level, and unfortunately I jumped into early when I saw sell orders come in, and I didn't wait for the volume to come in. So I took a position here and I put my stop at the high of my entry candle, which ended up being a really fairly quick stop out. Um, and then of course I saw that I got a little antsy here because I saw that we were forming this ABCD pattern. So I thought that maybe I had the wrong trade here, right idea here, um, and then this might have just been a shakeout. So I decided to go long again, put my stop here at right below S3 at 39.99, and I was hoping for a break above previous day close now, and unfortunately we didn't get that move. And I got another 1 hour stop on here. So total right here was down about 2.3R after this. And then after that, I took a look at Oxy because I had Oxy and JD on my trade list. Unfortunately, I missed that beautiful JD short that had occurred in the first 15-20 minutes of the market open. And I believe it was on SSR, so I wouldn't have been able to take a short on it anyways. But nonetheless, Oxy had bounced off of pre-market low in the opening minutes. I didn't take this trade because I was looking for it to go short at the beginning of the day, and I was hoping for a move to the short side, either at the open or off of previous day close or VWAP. So once we lost the previous day close, I saw that we were bouncing off these moving averages. I took a position and set my stop right below S2 at 57.50, uh, and I took it for the break of this low here, and I was aiming for a move below S4 and down. Unfortunately, we started to fizzle here, and I got the feeling that we were going to squeeze and hit my stop, so I just took my position off for a small loss there, and that put me at minus 2.6R, I believe. Yeah, minus 2.6R with that trade. And on this trade here, my last trade on RIVN, at this point I should have just stopped trading it, and I should have just called it a day at minus 2.6R. But I saw that we were starting to come back down to this level again, and I was curious to see if we were going to pick a direction. So once we lost this level, I wanted to see how we were going to react at opening price. We lost opening price with volume and sell orders, so I took an entry, put my stop here, and I was looking for a move to S6 on the daily chart, or sorry, on the 5-minute chart as a first partial target, and an all-out exit of 36. That's my second exit. That was my all-out exit, which is right above pre-market high. So I took a position there. And then we started to consolidate, rejected 38.50 with some volume. So I took a position there again, added, and then we started just sort of fizzling, just chopping around here, and then eventually hit my stop. The volume fizzled dramatically, in this area, and that was a big clue for me to get out, as there was nothing on the level 2 that indicated that I should still be in the trade. So unfortunately, this trade was review was just really really bad for me. I took a minus 4R loss total today. Um, it should have been minus 2.6R, or quite frankly, it should have been lower if I eliminate these two really bad trades here. And this trade here, I would be only down 0.3R, and then with this 1.4R, less than 2R. So unfortunately, I took a 2R additional loss on this. I gave back yesterday's gains, so today was a minus 4R day, and overall I am up 5.8R on the week, which is still a relatively good week. But I am a little frustrated with myself on this. I'm not going to beat myself up too much about it, but I'm definitely going to take RIVN off my list because, you know, it could have traded a lot better. This trade could have ended up working out really nicely, as I knew that it was a good position to take, and I was confident that it would work out. Once I saw these two, this ad and this entry here, I had a good feeling that I was going to get the move that I was looking for. And then we just started to fizzle around. So if this is how this ticker is going to trade on a catalyst, then it's definitely going to be off my list from now on. So yeah, unfortunately, that was my result today. Minus 4R, up 0.58R on the week, and I'm looking to begin live trading on Monday as I set up my account. I just need to add some hotkeys and some stuff. But I look forward to the journey, and I look forward to continue doing my recaps in live and going through my process, and sharing with new traders my experience. I've been trading relatively well, but all it takes is one day like this to give back a gain from a day. And it's something that I want to continue to work on in sim and in live. I've had a relatively good week. I've had a relatively good start to March, and I want to continue that. And whether it be in live or sim, I just want to test the waters in live and see how, if I can get those emotions and see what it's like to get the feeling of trading live money, as I've prepared one entire year for this journey. And I believe that the time to go in is now, as I've been building the confidence to trade with better conviction in my trades, and definitely take better trades as I've been having more success recently. Um, so that's my journey. That's my recap. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing back from you guys on this, and your comments on my pretty bad trades today. I'm open to hearing all of that, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope to chat with you guys again on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.